Hey guys, it's another time out with Grace, and I'm excited to have you on my channel. So I promised a DIY video, a do-it-yourself video on how I'm going to transform my space. So this is the video. If you are working on a budget and you don't have so much to spend on the space, this video is for you. So if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you're a returning viewer, I love you so much. Thank you for coming back and thank you for viewing.
Here is a purple ribbon. I also have a golden ribbon. Here's a pen, and here is bond I'm going to use to gum. I have this lace and flowers. Here's a skewer for gumming it and scissors. Here are cartons too and cake boards. Sorry, this video is very fast, but I just have to compress it to fit in. What I'm doing right now is I'm cutting the first size of the circle, and then I'm trying to also use a smaller one to cut it out so it gives me a wing shape, as you can see right here. So I'm also saving up the parts I had out of it. I'm gumming the circle part of this to attach my purple ribbon to it, and then I'm adding an extra design. I'm using the ribbon, the golden ribbon, to tape the other part of the circle, right like this in the video. Here butterflies I'm using to design the other parts, and I just want this beautiful look. I'm also going to use the purple ribbon to design the cutout from the circle so that I can put in my flowers when I place it on the wall. So I'm painting, and I'm painting. Oh my god, I don't know, but I know it took me more than 3 hours to paint this wall. It wasn't just coming out, but what I did was I painted for some time and I stepped out. When I came back, it was all dried, and then I added another layer of white paint to it, and it was set. So you can see me right here. I'm just trying to paint my wall, and this is the final result for what I did. I placed my decors with the bond on the wall, and it was looking so beautiful. I kind of like this final outlook because it gives my cake a beautiful picture. You can see a sample right here of a picture I took with the background. Yay! Who's excited as I am? Are you going to try this out? If you're going to try it, please let me know what you think about this DIY video, and if it turned out well for you. You can use other colors too. I love my background, and I hope to create more content with this background because oh my god, it's so beautiful. Subscribe, stay tuned guys.